Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is Catherine Vargas. Today we're going to be doing this kind of like two-tone eye look with a hint of like pastel yellow in there. I just really love this color combo and I hope you guys do too. I am using the Blends Bunny palette. I just got it about a week ago, so this is my second look with it, and I have to say I'm very impressed with this palette. I am in love, and I just have like other ideas, so stay tuned for that. Don't forget to leave down below any like ideas you guys want me to do. I know Halloween is coming up, fall is here as well, so there's fall looks, Halloween looks kind of like brewing in my mind, so don't worry about that. But yeah, I kind of need help with the Halloween looks. I've never really done one, so if you guys have any ideas, go ahead and leave them down below. And don't forget to follow me on my social medias. I'm gonna leave them down below as well. My Instagram name is Kathy's Beauty, and my TikTok name is Kathy's Beauty 01. Like I said, my looks might drop on there first before they even drop on YouTube. I'm gonna stop rambling. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and let's go ahead and jump into this video.
Alright guys, so I'm starting off with the shade Bewitched, and I am just gonna put this on my outer corner and meeting it halfway towards my lid. I'm gonna concentrate the shade and just build it as much as I can. Then the next shade I'm taking is the shade Signs. This is gonna help me blend out that Bewitched shade, and then I'm also keeping it towards like the center outer eye area. Now the next shade we are going to take is the shade Giggle. This is going to help blend the Signs shade and just create this very beautiful like gradient effect of purples here. And then I'm going back into each one of the shades and making sure they're nice and blended into one another. Now for the inner corner, I'm taking the shade of Vamp, and I'm going to meet that all the way in to the Bewitched shade. And I'm just going to like blend it a little bit, but it doesn't have to be too much because we are going to add some other shades in later. The next shade I'm taking is the shade Chase. This is going to help me blend out the Vamp shade, and we're basically repeating the same process that we did on the outer corner. Now the next shade I'm taking is the shade Sunset. We are going to lose some of the color payoff, but that's okay because I always go back and basically re-intensify for each one of the shades. Now I'm taking the shade Nevermore, and that's going to be put underneath the Vamp and Bewitched shade to go ahead and just blend them into one another better. Per usual, I always go back into the shades again just to make sure everything's re-intensified. Now I'm taking some micellar water, and I'm basically gonna prep my eye for this cut crease. As you guys see here, using micellar water is so easy and basically does all the work for you. Then I'm taking the P. Louise a blank canvas and basically just filling in the like cut crease that I created with the micellar water, if that makes sense. I'm taking some of that black and purple and just hitting the edge right there to help blend it out. Then I'm taking the shade Secrets. It's a very beautiful neon-y yellow, and that's going to be put all over that half cut crease. Then I went in with that pink shade just to go ahead and just blend this out even more, and I feel like it just kind of made the look or the eyes look even better. I don't know how to explain it, but it just looks so nice now. Then I took the Carrot Beauty liquid liner in black, created a small line, and then went in with the black to mattify that liquid liner. Working on the face, I'm taking the Benefit Professional primer. Then I went in with the Super Setter to help me get that like poreless skin. For foundation, I'm taking the Soft Matte in Medium 3 by NARS. Very beautiful, has really good coverage. Then I'm taking the Danessa Myricks Powder Bronzer in Medium. I like to go in with a brush, and then after I applied the color that I wanted or how like pigmented I wanted, I went in with a sponge to kind of help sink that into the skin even more. For blush, I went with the Merit's Cheek Color Blush in Cheeky. I feel like it just looks so good with the eyes. It was a nice, pretty, kind of everyday pink. Like a nice flush of pink to the cheeks. Then for concealer, I took the Tarte Shape Tape in like medium sand, and I just love how it makes my eyes or my under eyes look so bright, and it just provides amazing coverage. For bronzer, I'm taking the LYS Beauty in Harmony and just bronzing up my face with that. Then for blush, I'm taking the Benefit blush in Willa to just help me set that Merit blush. I went in with more of that Professional spray or the Super Setter. Yeah. Then I went in with ColourPop Extra Frosting Gel Liner. I'm now working on the bottom lash line. I'm just taking all the purple shades, so we Bewitched, Signs, and Giggle, and just running it on my bottom lash line. I decided to keep this all purple instead of mixing it with the pink. Then I went in with a little bit of black just to make it more sultry. For lips, I went in with the Rare Beauty Lip Liner in Fun, and then the MAC Matte Lipstick in So Select. And this will complete the finished look. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys!